everyone. Today we're going to have Gagajoy's cooking here at the lake. She's got a special feature for you, so hope you enjoy, and we'll take you along with us. Today we're at Claytor Lake. Got a beautiful scenery here. Going to be recording the cooking show. This was Gagajoy's idea. So you came for Gagajoy today, did you?
I did, my Gaga. We started the name. There you go, the founder.
Do you like her cooking?
I love it, it's my favorite.
Have you got the water for them? Oh, it's in your car. Come on, Trey, we'll go get it. I ain't got nothing boiling yet.
You got a mint?
Yeah. Lisa, when I come back, I'll turn it on. I gotta go get the water right now.
Okay.
There's two in the car. Well, I don't, that ain't even dropping the bucket.
What you doing, Gaga?
Okay. How did help Donna? Help her.
Is there another one? Now look at Lisa. All right, guys, y'all can take your stuff off.
I know it.
And just put your stuff back on the golf cart.
Trenton, what about you? Do you want to touch your
You got a lot of fans there. You have a lot of fans there.
Now, when we put the corn in there, we won't have to. Because it'll be separate. Now, you got 3 bags of potatoes. Well, how much you want to put in here? All of them. Okay.
Where's your corn?
Well, it goes in after the corn. It doesn't take us long to cook the corn.
Here you go. You ready? Y'all cut them in half?
No!
These are bigger ones.
What
you doing?
Was that a whole thing of bay? Was that a whole thing of bay?
Yeah.
Okay.
And here's another thing.
Okay.
What you got there? Crab bull?
Yeah.
Zatarans?
Yeah.
There you go. Okay. What are you doing?
That goes in there too.
Not the plastic. You want to eat it?
No.
No.
It stays in there. In the bag. No. It's got holes in it. Then we'll check the potatoes, and when they're about like that, we'll put the corn in. And then 5 minutes, and then we add the shrimp. And before...
Is that the sausage that's going in?
And we have different types. We have beef smoked. We've got some spicy.
Yeah, if she gets back up here, we'll do it.
Okay.
She must have took the boys to the bathroom or something.
No, I think they're down there at the lake.
She's a sweet girl.
Isn't she?
Is it time for all that?
Yeah.
Give the potatoes time.
They're probably close to 4. And I think,
You think the potatoes cook that fast?
well, we got the potatoes.
Oh, potatoes don't take long.
You need these open for you? We need
Wait a minute. Take the top off. Okay, I'm ready, Paul.
Okay, go ahead, start.
Hi, everybody. Gagajoy, and I told you to be on the lookout. We're going to turn up any place. Well, we turned up here today. We're at Claytor Lake, Virginia. And we're one of those blessed people where we have lakes and dams and things all around us. I think it takes us like an hour and a half to get here. It's a day trip. And we're going to have a shrimp boil today. We've already got our potatoes in cooking, and we've put our Zatarans in, which was two cans of Zatarans. And now we're going to add our kielbasa.
We had lemons.
Let's put it on the side, okay? And corn. Now I've already got red potatoes. I've got 4 lemons. And this is 12 pieces of corn. We've cut them in half. And what's next? Shrimp. Now when you put that in, we got to eat pretty soon.
And that's large raw tiger shrimp. Large raw tiger shrimp, right?
Yes.
How long are you going to let it boil for?
5 minutes. Now we've got our corn, our shrimp, everything in. We're going to let it go for 5 minutes, and we'll be ready to eat. This is my friend Johnna. She's the director of the Weight Watchers in Bluefield. She's got one of the most active Weight Watchers we've had in the area for a long time. She's the one encouraging me to come today, and this is her recipe that we're cooking. Except we put kielbasa in it. It's not a Weight Watcher additive. But if you just go by the recipe we gave you, it's the same one that the Weight Watchers use. So, we're so glad to have her here. And we're going to start on the boil. Yep, it's time to get, well, I don't know if this, I probably should have waited on the shrimp.
We'll go just a little bit longer.
Okay.
Because a cold shrimp probably knocked the boil down.
Okay. For adding the last thing, our Creole.
Take the knife off, sir. Take the knife off, sir. No, the knife off.
Let's go!
That is, that's a Weight Watcher recipe. It is shrimp, feta, there's garlic in it, and then there's dill weed sprinkled on top.
And this is tomato cheese. This is
Spaghetti salad.
spaghetti salad. This is not Weight Watchers. Now, if you see anything that you think you would like a recipe for, and this is strawberry bars. I took a strawberry cake mix, and you just add half a cup of nuts and mix it up real good. Put it in this bowl and just flatten it out. And then you put your strawberry pie filling, and you save enough of the original mixture to put on top. And they make beautiful strawberry bars. Now, yeah, expect more than one.
There you go, you're fine.
Okay, got it? There you go.
There you go.
Hey,
Bill.
that's the way to do
Look
it.
at this.
Lord, that
We're learning every time we do
got
something.
a
We
3-second
learn.
rule down here.
We got a feast going on. Feast like this. Oh, Gaga. That's my mother.
Hi, how are you?
Nice to meet you. Well, that looks awesome. We would do something like that. She was telling me she's learning some hot tips.
I'm learning some hot tips. Yeah. Okay, now everybody go in and get some.
Well, this is our feast. Spread out.
Oh, he's good.
Looks nice, and we're ready to start.
Yes, I did.
He's good.
But I mean, he put in time. He spent the whole year like.
Do you want some of this or no?
So it's not like he just came over.
Good game.
Well, we're all eating now. It's nice to have you. I hope you try this real soon. Subscribe, ring that bell. See you soon. And remember the joy. Bye.
Y'all do me that.